It all starts here, with the finest potatoes. They are thoroughly washed and scrubbed clean in our high-pressure washing system. The potatoes then travel through a steam boiler, cooking them to a perfect, soft consistency ready for mashing.
Once cooked, they are expertly mashed and blended with a secret mix of traditional spices and fresh herbs.
Watch as the vibrant filling comes together. This is where the magic of flavor truly begins. The flavorful filling is then portioned into precise amounts, ensuring every single samosa tastes identical. Meanwhile, on the other side of the factory, thin sheets of dough are prepared and cut into perfect circles. Now, for the most intricate step, robotic arms gently place the dough into forming cones and inject the perfect amount of filling. With incredible speed and precision, the machine folds the dough into that iconic triangular shape we all love. Freshly formed and ready to go, thousands of raw samosas line up for their journey into the sizzling oil.
They glide through a bath of pure vegetable oil, frying at precisely the right temperature to achieve that signature golden crisp.
Out they come, perfectly golden, crispy, and aromatic. It's a mesmerizing sight to behold.
A blast of cool air quickly brings the temperature down, locking in the crunch and preparing them for packing. Quality control is relentless. High-definition cameras scan every single samosa, ensuring only the perfect ones make the cut.
Perfect samosas are then carefully arranged into trays by high-speed automated packers.
Next, they are hermetically sealed with a protective film to maintain ultimate freshness. A batch code and expiry date are printed on each package, guaranteeing traceability from our factory to your table. Finally, the packaged boxes are stacked, wrapped, and prepared for their journey to stores and restaurants worldwide. From our factory floor to distribution trucks, the cold chain is maintained to deliver the perfect bite.
And that's how technology and tradition come together to create the perfect crispy samosa. Enjoy!
Have you ever wondered how millions of perfectly crispy samosas are made? Welcome to the heart of modern food production.